Hi, fifth graders. Today I'm going to show you how to create your QR code from your Submersible Edu creation. So the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome, and you should have two tabs. In the first tab, you want to go to qrstuff.com, and in the second tab, you are going to go to educreations.com. On Educreations, you're going to log in using the email address portertechnology@gmail.com, and the password is Porter. You're going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you will need to find your Submersible Edu creation. So I'm going to use this group for an example from Miss Patterson's class. Once I find my Edu creations, I may need to look, and I can go back on several pages if I need to do that. But once I find my Edu creation, I'm going to click on the blue link, and it's going to pop up and actually start playing. I can listen to it and make sure everything sounds good and looks good before I create my final QR code. The next step that I need to do is press the share button, and you are going to copy this link. So I would double click and make sure I have the whole thing highlighted and click copy. Then I'm going to go back to the tab that says QR code generator, and I'm going to leave it on website. In website, I'm going to paste. So I can right click and press paste, or I could use Control V to paste there. You'll see that your QR code is generated on the right hand side. You can change the color by scrolling up and down on the spectrum, and then in order to change the color, you actually just need to click in the color wheel. The last step to get your QR code ready to be printed is you will need to open up Microsoft Word. So I have a Microsoft Word document open. I'm going to give it a title, so you would like to call it your Submersible name, and then your group names. If you also have any other information that you would like to include for your display, you would put that here. Make sure you change the text size. This is going to be way too small, so I need to click and drag to highlight, and I can change the size of my font. You can also change the font and color here. So make sure you get something that's easy to read and a color that's going to print well and be easy to see. So now that I have my Microsoft Word document open and ready to go, and I have my names listed, I'm going to include the QR code. So I'm going to minimize this. Here I'm going to press download QR code, and on Chrome it's going to go down to the bottom bar. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to need to save. Oops. Actually, you're not going to save. You are going to, in your on your Word document, you're going to press Insert, Picture, and then in your Downloads folder, you can find your QR code that you recently created. So Mrs. Jones, I have a lot of QR codes in here, so this isn't going to work so well for me. So I'm actually going to do a screenshot of my QR code. So I'm going to press Insert, Screenshot, and I'm going to do a screen clipping, and I need to make sure that I get all of the white space around the QR code. That will make it a lot easier. So forget about saving your QR code or saving your QR code. Go ahead and just press Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and you'll be able to take a screenshot of it. I would also like to help you get a picture of your submersible uploaded into your Microsoft Word document. When you have all of those things finished, you will be ready to print your display tag that will be shown with your submersible for the event. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Jones.